Driven by passion to deliver the best to its customers, Reba Textiles Limited is a progressive name in the arena of manufacturing towels and tufted rugs. Established in 1993, the company has climbed the ladder of success in a very short span of time, owing to its uncompromising approach towards quality, customer-oriented approaches, and timely execution of orders.
Customers are the backbone of the industry. Expansion is an ongoing process. Recently, we have made an expansion of about 50 crores.
Reba owns a composite state-of-the-art manufacturing unit at India's northern state of Haryana, 2.5 hours drive from Delhi. The current production capacity is 7,000 tons per annum, with another expansion in 2018 to increase the same to 10,000 tons per annum. To supply its customers with the best quality products, Reba owns a vertically integrated mill that covers 16 acres of land with a built-up area of 400,000 square feet. The unit has separate facilities for dyeing, weaving, finishing and embroidery. The current production capacity of the company is 7,000 tons per annum. Reba's manufacturing unit is equipped with the following state-of-the-art machines: shuttle-less looms, electronic dobby and jacquards, shearing, stitching, tumbler dryer, CAD system and embroidery. Other machines covering dyeing, preparatory and packaging, which are sourced from the best suppliers across the globe.
Reba is a socially responsible company, manufacturing goods on the lowest possible margin, servicing the world and hopefully getting smiles to the customers across the globe.
Reba offers a wide variety of bath towels, spa towels, yarn or plain dyed towels, embroidered towels and beach towels. Major emphasis is on yarn-dyed double-jacquard Weller beach and bead towels with fancy border in cotton, viscose and polyester. The beach portfolio of company also includes double-jacquard beach towels, weft insert rapier solid or striped or embroidered beach towels, hammam towels, beach rugs, beach mats, luxurious hypoallergenic and soft. All these products meet all EEC or US standards.
Our main focus is to make our strategy in such a way that we should be able to have the best utilization of all the departments using all the industrial concepts in terms of the productivity.
Reba takes pride in announcing that many leading retailers, hotels and resorts are its clients in 30 countries across the globe.
Reba is one of the leading terry manufacturing companies in India, which specializes in jacquard and allied products.
The journey of production starts with the weaving facility, where machines like direct warping machine, multi-cylinder sizing machine, sectional warping machine, weaving looms dobby, jacquard looms are used to produce the finest quality of fabric. The fabric then goes to dyeing facility, where it is tested for color fastness, shrinkage control, soft feel and instant absorbing property. Modern machinery like a winding machine, HT or HP yarn dyeing machine, soft flow fabric dyeing machine, fabric washing machine, continuous tumbler dryer and shearing machines are also used to ensure the highest quality standards.
Reba is using Biancalani tumbler dryer, by which we get extremely soft and bulky towels. Also, we have implemented system of check upon check, by which we get RFT.
Reba is committed towards safe and green environment. Since textile industry is water intensive and the process involves usage of chemicals, the company makes sure that the produced wastewater has to be cleaned from fat, oil, color and other chemicals. To ensure this objective, Reba has a huge water treatment plant. Moreover, solar energy is used for clean environment. Once the production is done, the finished products are transferred to finishing and packaging facility, where the products are packaged as per customer specifications. All finished products are randomly checked for their specifications so as to ensure the movement of flawless products from the facility. To supply customers with an on-trend range of products, Reba owns an in-house R&D facility that not only looks after the pre-production but is also responsible for creating new designs or concepts, color schemes, doing a trial run and patent verification. With an impressive cosmic customer base spread out over 30 countries globally, headquartered in New Delhi, Reba feels immense delight in being listed on the India stock market and is also a Government of India certified Star Export House. We endeavour to grow and flourish till sprawling horizons with more incredible prospects in the future. Hope you enjoyed every bit of sailing through the journey of Reba Textiles.